Trump called off the strike on Iran, and crude oil fell off a cliff, down nearly 6%. That deflated the inflation scare, and the Dow jumped 1.32% to a record 53,178. The Nasdaq led everything at 2.1% as money poured back into the still-glowing AI megacaps. 9 of 10 closed green. The S&P rose 1.48%, and the lone holdout, Apple, nursed an earnings hangover. Meta surged 6% to close near 590, the megacap standout of a Monday tech rebound. The market kept rewarding its second-quarter earnings beat, even pushing the day high to 597. Raised AI capex guidance was cheered as strength, not punished, giving the move room to run. Overnight trades still drifted a touch below the close, barely denting what was a monster day. Oracle was the day's undisputed champion, exploding a full 9.22% higher by the time the closing bell rang. The spark was Google Cloud's expanded pact, embedding Gemini AI models directly into Oracle's own software. Skeptics like Steve Eisman poked at the $638 billion backlog, but Monday's bulls bought the story wholesale. The stock closed at $141.85 after $1.30 to $143 day, and then nudged a little higher overnight. Alphabet climbed 4.4% to close at $372.47, riding the day's range from $363 up to $376. The fuel was earnings momentum. After a strong quarter, analysts stayed upbeat and raised their targets. Then Oracle chose Gemini, a rival's vote of confidence in Alphabet's AI stack, and analysts took note. Then Iran de-escalation lifted the whole market tape, and the relief rally carried every single name higher. Microsoft jumped 4.93% on Azure earnings, and the glow from last week is still warming the whole tape. It ran from $475 to $492, and AI data center names rallied double digits in its wake. Overnight, it drifted very quietly below the $487.65 close, a soft fade after the loud day. Risk on tape from falling oil and Iran relief keeps the long bias firmly in place now. Amazon jumped 4.58% today on heavy volume, and the whole street leaned in to watch the sprint. It closed at $284.02, pressing flat against its 52-week high like it owned the whole ceiling. The fuel, a $496 billion AWS backlog, years of signed cloud orders, waiting to be delivered. After hours, though, it quietly cooled off, giving back 1.45% overnight to trade near $279.89.